Hey guys, Kevin with American Garage Door Supply here. Would you like to know how to save some dough and energy costs, maintain the interior of your building, and protect your equipment and inventory, and keep your people safe and comfortable all at the same time? It's really easy, and you can do this yourself with very little cost and with very little of your valuable time. One of the areas of your door that really takes a lot of punishment through the various seasons of the year is your door's perimeter seals, which include your door's jamb seals and the seals at your door's header. In the hot summer months, these seals, which are located around both sides of the door and the top of the door opening, get exposed to extreme heat, direct sunlight, wind, pounding rain, and when the winter months roll around, they then get exposed to the additional abuse of sleet, ice, and the extreme of the cold winter conditions. As you can imagine, these punishing conditions during the year are extremely hard on the materials of your perimeter seals and causes those materials to get stiff, crack, decay, and deteriorate, making the seals very ineffective, costly, and an awful eyesore. Of course, there are a few of those other hazards as well during the year, which I hate to mention, but they're those little impacts from wayward drivers and those nasty little varmints and pests that decide the perimeter seal on your door tastes a lot better than their lunch. Naturally, at this point, you know you need to replace those seals, which I'm here to tell you today is both fast, super easy, and inexpensive to do. It also pays great dividends in the end, saving you those energy dollars and preserving the interior of your building space, inventory, equipment, people, and other valuables too. If you can see daylight around your door from the inside, or if your perimeter seals are not sealing your doors properly, and let's say for example you have a 12 by 12 overhead door and you have a 1/2 inch gap all the way around the perimeter of the door. That equates to a 216 square inch hole in your door. Imagine that. That's like having a 20 inch by 10 inch hole right in the middle of your door, exposing the interior of your building to the weather. At American Garage Door Supply, we understand how important it is for you to keep those doors sealed properly, and we can help you find the right seal for your situation and give you advice on how to install them. Our goal is to help supply you with the weather seal products that you need when you need them. And we do this by offering one of the largest selections of perimeter seals in the nation. Basically, we make it easy for you to find the right product, order the product you need, and get them to your door quickly. And we do it at a very competitive price. Whether it's a blade or brush design, vinyl, nylon, rubber, or polypropylene material, or if it's for an industrial or commercial door, including overhead, sliding, cantilever doors, or even hanger or entrance doors, American Garage Door Supply has a perimeter seal for you. Check out our website today at americandoorsupply.com or visit our YouTube channel and let us show you why thousands of business and folks just like you depend on American Garage Door Supply for all of their weather seal needs.